DIY shelves for nurseries and kids' rooms. Add some boyish charm to your son's room with these easy skateboard shelves. All you need is a couple of heavy-duty L brackets. Transform old drawers into beautiful, shabby chic bookshelves using a simple tutorial. Create a rustic, wooden shelf using reclaimed wood and old belt straps. Working with a cloud motif? Dress up a simple floating shelf by painting a fluffy cloud behind it. It couldn't be easier. Use old picture frames to dress up a simply constructed box shelf. Add a little woodland whimsy to your little one's nursery or bedroom with these easy-to-make accent shelves. Simply cut a large, wooden tree slice in half, and mount with small L brackets. Stack some pretty, wooden apple crates for a beautiful and budget-friendly bookcase. Total cost: less than $50. Mount rain gutters to the wall for an instant reading corner. What can you do with a 5-gallon bucket and a little imagination? Make cute, contemporary wall shelves, of course. Create a DIY industrial-inspired, wall-to-wall shelving unit for less. Turn an old, wooden pallet into beautiful, rustic book ledges. Just cut, sand, and stain. Wooden boxes or crates offer lots of storage space and look fabulous mounted on the wall. Paint the inside of each box for a pop of added color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.